Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to use standby mode on iPhone 17, including all its features and setup tips.
Turn on Standby Mode. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Tap Standby. Step 3. Turn Standby on. Step 4. Turn on Always On. Optional, if available. Activate Standby Mode. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a charger. Step 2. Place iPhone horizontally, landscape. Step 3. Lock the screen. Step 4. Standby screen appears automatically. Change standby screens. Step 1. Swipe left or right to switch views. Step 2. Choose clock, photos, or widgets. Step 3. Swipe up or down to change styles. Customize widgets. Step 1. Long. Press on the standby screen. Step 2. Tap plus to add widgets. Step 3. Choose apps and tap add widget. Use night mode, red display. Step 1. Use standby in a dark room. Step 2. Screen automatically turns red at night.